Nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan, lies the charming city of Shakar Garh. This picturesque town is surrounded by the lush greenery of its agricultural fields and the serene flow of the Ravi River. Shakar Garh is a place where nature's beauty meets human ingenuity, creating a harmonious blend that captivates the soul. A hidden gem waiting to be discovered, Shakar Garh offers a unique escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Its scenic landscapes are a testament to the untouched beauty that lies within Pakistan's borders. With a population of over 70,000, Shakar Garh offers a unique blend of natural beauty, agricultural abundance, and historical significance. The streets are bustling with life, yet the surrounding fields provide a peaceful retreat. This captivating city promises a journey of discovery for those seeking an authentic Pakistani experience. Tourists can wander through its streets, exploring the rich history and vibrant culture that Shakar Garh has to offer. Shakar Garh is more than just a dot on the map. It is a place where stories of the past come alive and the future is being shaped by the hands of its hardworking residents. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of Pakistan. The people of Shakar Garh are known for their hospitality and their dedication to preserving their cultural heritage. A place where tradition and modernity intertwine to create a tapestry of unique experiences. From traditional attire to modern architecture, Shakar Garh is a city that embraces both its past and its future. Join us as we delve into the heart of Shakar Garh, exploring its hidden treasures. Every corner of this city has a story to tell, and every story adds to the rich tapestry of its heritage. From the tranquil flow of the Ravi River to the vibrant hues of its agricultural lands, Shakar Garh is a place of natural wonder. The river not only provides sustenance but also adds to the scenic beauty of the region. Let's uncover the magic that awaits in this often overlooked corner of Pakistan. Shakar Garh is a destination that promises to leave a lasting impression on all who visit, with its blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and historical depth. The lifeblood of Shakar Garh is the majestic Ravi River. This river, with its origins in the Himalayas, winds its way through the landscape, bringing with it stories of ancient times and modern life. Flowing serenely through the city's heart, it serves as a vital artery connecting various parts of the region. The river's presence is felt in every corner of Shakar Garh, from the bustling markets to the quiet residential areas. It paints a picture of tranquility, offering a peaceful retreat from the chaos of daily life. The calm waters reflect the changing skies, creating a dynamic canvas that changes with the seasons. Its shimmering waters reflect the sky, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The river's surface, like a mirror, captures the beauty of the heavens, making it a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers alike. The Ravi River is not just a scenic delight, it plays a crucial role in the region's ecosystem, supporting a diverse range of flora and fauna. The lush greenery along its banks is a testament to its life-giving properties. It's the backbone of Shakar Garh's agricultural prosperity. The fertile lands nourished by its waters yield bountiful harvests, sustaining the local economy and feeding countless families. Its waters nourish the fertile lands, giving life to a rich variety of crops. From wheat to rice, the fields thrive under the river's care, ensuring food security for the region. The banks of the Ravi offer a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Families and friends gather here for picnics, enjoying the serene environment and the gentle sound of flowing water. Imagine sitting by the river, the gentle breeze whispering tales of time. The rustling leaves and the soft murmur of the river create a symphony that soothes the soul. The sound of flowing water, a soothing melody to your ears. It's a natural lullaby that calms the mind and rejuvenates the spirit. The Ravi River is an integral part of Shakar Garh's identity. It shapes the culture and traditions of the people, influencing their way of life and their connection to nature, a source of sustenance, beauty, and recreation. The river provides opportunities for fishing, boating, and other recreational activities, bringing joy to the community, a testament to the power and importance of nature's gifts. The Ravi River stands as a symbol of life, resilience, and the enduring bond between humanity and the natural world. Shakar Garh is a sight to behold, a vibrant tapestry woven with shades of green. The land, nurtured by the Ravi River, is incredibly fertile. Fields stretch as far as the eye can see, bursting with life. Wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane thrive in abundance. The air is filled with the sweet scent of ripe fruits, a sensory delight. Shakar Garh is indeed a breadbasket, generously providing sustenance. The agricultural rhythm of life pulses through Shakar Garh. Farmers work tirelessly, their hands intertwined with the soil. Their dedication and hard work are evident in the bountiful harvests. The agricultural landscape of Shakar Garh is not just a visual treat. It represents the backbone of the local economy, providing livelihoods and sustenance to its people. Beyond the agricultural tapestry, Shakar Garh offers a sanctuary of green. Reserved forests stand tall, guardians of a rich ecosystem. These forests are havens of biodiversity, teeming with life. The air within these forests is cool and refreshing, a welcome contrast to the city's heat. Chirping birds provide a natural symphony, a treat for the ears. The forests of Shakar Garh are ideal for nature walks and birdwatching. Imagine yourself strolling under the canopy, sunlight dappling the forest floor. A sense of tranquility washes over you, a welcome escape. These forests are not just aesthetically pleasing. They play a vital role in maintaining the ecological balance, acting as the lungs of the region. As Section 5, the climate, a gentle embrace. Shakar Garh enjoys a moderate climate, a gentle embrace throughout the year. Summers are warm while winters bring a pleasant chill. The monsoon season paints the city in vibrant hues. The skies above Shakar Garh are often a brilliant blue, dotted with fluffy white clouds. The sun shines brightly, casting a warm glow on the city below. The pleasant climate of Shakar Garh is one of its many charms. It adds to the allure of the city, making it an ideal destination for travel throughout the year. Whether you prefer the warmth of summer or the coolness of winter, Shakar Garh welcomes you with open arms and a temperate embrace. Section 6. Kartarpur Corridor, a bridge of faith. Shakar Garh is not just a place of natural beauty. Nestled in the heart of Punjab, it is a region that resonates with the echoes of history and spirituality. The lush green fields and serene landscapes are a testament to its timeless beauty. It holds deep historical and spiritual significance, most notably as the home of the Kartarpur Corridor. This corridor is not just a physical pathway, but a bridge that connects hearts and minds across borders. It is a place where history and faith converge, creating a unique tapestry of cultural and spiritual heritage. This corridor is a symbol of peace and religious harmony. It stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of unity and brotherhood, transcending the barriers of nationality and religion. Here, people of different faiths come together, fostering a sense of mutual respect and understanding. The Kartarpur Corridor connects the Gurdwara Darbar Sahib in Pakistan to India. This sacred site is the final resting place of Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism, and holds immense significance for Sikhs around the world. The corridor provides a direct and visa-free access for Indian pilgrims, making it a landmark of international cooperation. It allows Sikh pilgrims to visit the final resting place of Guru Nanak, the founder of Sikhism. For many, this journey is a pilgrimage of a lifetime, a chance to connect with their spiritual roots and pay homage to their revered leader. The sight of pilgrims in traditional attire, walking with a sense of purpose and devotion, is truly inspiring. The opening of the corridor was a momentous occasion, a testament to the power of faith and diplomacy. It was a day marked by celebration and hope, attended by high-profile dignitaries and leaders from both nations. The ribbon-cutting event symbolized a new chapter in the history of Indo-Pak relations, one that prioritizes peace and mutual respect. It stands as a beacon of hope, fostering understanding and goodwill. The sight of the sun setting over the corridor, with doves flying overhead, is a powerful symbol of the peace and harmony that this corridor represents. It is a reminder that even in a world divided by borders, the human spirit can find ways to connect and unite. A visit to the Kartarpur Corridor is an emotional experience, a journey imbued with spirituality and a sense of shared history. For many pilgrims, it is a moment of profound reflection and connection, a chance to walk in the footsteps of their ancestors and feel the presence of their faith in every step. The corridor is not just a path, but a journey of the soul. Section 7. Inayatpur Garota Village, a subterranean marvel. Step back in time at the Inayatpur Garota village, an architectural marvel hidden in plain sight. This village, with its subterranean houses, offers a glimpse into the past. These houses, built underground, provided respite from the scorching summer heat. The ingenuity of the design is awe-inspiring, a testament to the resourcefulness of the people. Exploring the narrow passageways and interconnected rooms of these subterranean houses is like stepping into another era. A sense of wonder fills you, appreciating the architectural brilliance. The Inayatpur Garota village is a unique heritage site, a testament to the ingenuity and adaptability of the people who once called it home. Section 8. Shakar Garh beckons. a call to explore. Shakar Garh, with its blend of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and warm hospitality, beckons you. This hidden gem of Pakistan promises a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Explore the tranquil banks of the Ravi River, breathe in the fresh air of its forests, and witness the agricultural abundance. Experience the spiritual aura of the Kartarpur corridor and the architectural wonder of Inayatpur Grotta village. Shakar Garh has something to offer everyone. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or a deeper understanding of Pakistan's rich heritage, Shakar Garh will not disappoint. Come, discover the magic that awaits in Shakar Garh. Let its charm captivate you and its beauty leave an everlasting impression.